So this is sweet and sour chicken with a tangy tomato sauce and fresh tomatoes from my garden. Enjoy. These are celebrity tomatoes. These are easy to grow. It takes about 65 to 70 days. So you have a real nice tomato here. Well, these are early grow tomatoes. They're really juicy tomatoes, really easy to grow as well. So here we have two nice juicy tomatoes. We're going to cut the tomatoes into wedges, or you can cut them into smaller pieces, whichever way you like. For this recipe, we're using 3 chicken breasts, or you can use 3 chicken thighs, or a combination of the two. Cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces. I like to cut the chicken into 1-inch cubes. Now we're going to beat 2 eggs in a large bowl. We're going to put the chicken in the bowl, so make sure the eggs will coat each piece of chicken. In another large bowl, put 5 to 6 tablespoons of cornstarch, so the egg will bind the cornstarch to each piece of chicken. In a pot, preheat 2 to 3 cups of peanut oil or other cooking oil at medium to medium-high heat. Cook 2 to 3 pieces of chicken to make sure the temperature is right, so you can see the bubbles when you deep fry the chicken. So as I said before, make sure you coat each piece of chicken in the cornstarch, and the chicken will take about 2 to 3 minutes to cook each piece. When the chicken is cooked, put the chicken pieces onto paper towels to soak up some of the oil. For more crispy chicken, deep fry the chicken twice. So just let the chicken stand for a few minutes and deep fry the chicken again in small batches. To make the sauce, preheat a pan at medium to medium-high heat. Put 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. I use peanut oil. And then I'm going to put about a tablespoon of chopped ginger and garlic. Now we're going to add 1 chopped onion. So onion is an aromatic, so it'll bring out some nice flavor in the sauce. So just grill the onions for a few minutes, and then add a cup of water or more if you want more sauce. Now I'm going to add half a teaspoon of salt. I like to use the natural sea salt. And then I'll add 2 tablespoons of ketchup, or if you have tomato sauce, you can use that. I like to add a tablespoon of HP sauce or lean parent sauce for added flavor. To give the sauce a nice rich red color, I use a natural ingredient, which is the beet powder. So put a teaspoon of beet powder in your sauce. To sweeten the sauce, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, or you can use regular white sugar. For the sour part of the sauce, I'm going to add 5 to 6 tablespoons of black vinegar. You can use regular white vinegar if you like, but black vinegar has more complex flavor. I like my sauce more sour than sweet, so I'm going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar adds some nice flavor. For color and texture, I'm going to add half a cup of chopped green pepper. To thicken the sauce, make a slurry of 1 tablespoon of cornstarch in 1/3 of a cup of water. And then you add your tomatoes. So if you want more tender tomatoes, add the tomatoes in earlier. Add the chicken in just before serving. This way the chicken won't get soggy. Then make sure each piece of chicken is coated with this delicious sauce. There you have it. Sweet and sour chicken with fresh tomatoes from my garden. Enjoy. Let's try this sweet and sour chicken. It's got the nice sweet and sour tangy sauce. Wow, that sauce is really good. You haven't tried it. Now you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese cooking accessory guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use and some of the equipment that I use. Thanks for checking out my video, and be sure to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe so you can get the next new video. And thanks to my viewers for helping me win the top 20 best Chinese food blogs in the world. And also I was awarded the top 40 China YouTube channels in the world. And also please subscribe. Just press the button